Okay, hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you some things you can do to resolve having a USB port glitch on your Xbox One S. So just before, I had my keyboard and my mouse, and then I also have this, and I have my controller plugged in so it doesn't turn off. And then I have my keyboard. My keyboard and my mouse. But before, this back USB port here was not working. And I was searching up videos for like 30 minutes just trying to find out why it wasn't working. I tried cleaning it with a vacuum, that didn't work. And I was like, oh no, am I gonna have to pay someone to open up my Xbox and fix it? But all I did was I just restarted my console. So I just held the Xbox home button when you're about to turn it off. I went to restart console and then clicked restart. As I've already done this and it worked, which is cool. So now I can play against with that. So just yeah. If you have that glitch, just try restarting your Xbox and it might work. And if it doesn't work, then try cleaning it out with a vacuum if it's a bit dirty. And then if that doesn't work, then I'm not sure.